Hey everyone, it's Mon and welcome back to Hardware Voyage. Meron tayo ngayong keyboard from Rakk. Nirelease nila to around December 2018 pa, so medyo late na pero better late than never. This is the Rakk Sinag 87MX mechanical keyboard. Now, I consider this as another step up from Rakk dahil this time ginamit nila yung isa sa mga pinaka-popular na switch sa market, ang Cherry MX Blue. Sa loob ng box, meron tayong carrying pouch, user's manual, keycap puller, and of course the keyboard itself. Ang Rakk Sinag ay isang 10 keyless mechanical keyboard, so basically wala tong numpad, which benefits most of the FPS gamers dahil magkakaroon sila ng mas malawak na space for mouse movements. Meron tong aluminum plate. The rest of the parts are plastic kaya magaang lang to, pero it's built really well at minimal lang yung flex. Hindi masyadong kita yung Rakk logo, which for me is always a plus. Meron tong floating key design kaya medyo exposed yung mga switch, pero dahil din dito hindi visible yung LED indicators for caps lock, scroll lock, and Windows lock unless titignan mo up top. Medyo useless dahil hindi rin naman to kita. Mas okay sana kung nilagay na lang nila to sa taas ng arrow keys or sa tabi ng escape key katulad ng sa Rakk Elise. Yung mga keycaps ay double shot ABS plastic kaya siguradong hindi mag-fade yung legends nito. Medyo manipis nga lang at around 1mm. Meron din tong media playback buttons integrated within the function keys, pero walang sub-legends kaya kailangan pa nating tandaan kung ano yung secondary functions ng bawat isa. Flipping it over, makikita natin yung non-detachable braided cable na merong gold-plated USB connector at syempre meron din tong 4 na rubber pads to hold the keyboard in place. Walang flip-up feet for height adjustment. Slightly inclined din yung design nito for more comfortable typing experience, but of course much better pa rin sana kung meron tayong flip-up feet para ma-adjust natin to sa preferred nating height. Now, for the side glow, frosted yung sides kaya maganda yung pagkaka-diffuse ng light. Sa loob meron tong 64 LEDs and I can assure you na hindi ka makukulangan sa brightness dahil sobrang liwanag nito to the point na kahit nasisinagan siya ng araw, visible pa din yung lights ng keyboard. The key illumination is just as bright. White LEDs lang to, it's not RGB, pero meron din tong several lighting modes. Alright, this keyboard also features a 1000 polling Hz and full 87 key rollover. Unfortunately, walang software for creating macros, setting the lighting modes, and remapping the keys. But that doesn't really bother me dahil I don't use macros that much at madali lang naman baguhin yung lighting effects. Taking off the keycaps, makikita naman natin yung clicky Cherry MX Blue switches that requires 50 grams of force to actuate. Merong 2.2mm actuation point, 4mm total travel distance at merong lifespan na up to 50 million keystrokes. Now, kapag pinindot mo ang isang Cherry MX Blue switch, magpo-produce to ng clicky sound at makakaramdam ka ng tactile bump. Ibig sabihin nun, nag-register na yung key press, so hindi kailangan sagad yung pagpindot para mag-register. Pagdating sa mechanical switches, may kanya-kanya tayong preference. Para sa akin, for typing, sobrang satisfying ng clicky sound at tactile bump na binibigay ng Cherry MX Blue. Pagdating naman sa gaming, okay lang din sa akin yung clicky switches dahil casual gamer lang naman ako. Pero kung competitive gamer ka at importante sa'yo kahit millisecond, then you should try linear switches instead, like the Cherry MX Reds. As of the making of this video, wala pa ring official announcement from Rakk kung mag-offer pa sila ng ibang switch. Pero most probably hindi na, kaya if you're not a fan of loud, clicky switches, then this keyboard may not be for you. To give you an idea, here's a quick sound test. So sulit ba ang Rakk Sinag 87MX? Well, kung okay lang sa'yo na walang numpad at gusto mo talagang ma-experience yung high quality Cherry MX Blue switches, then yes, isa to sa mga pinakasulit na mechanical keyboard na merong Cherry MX switch. Noon nakuha ko to for 3,795, pero pwede mo na tong mabili ngayon for just 3,195 pesos. Merong konting drawbacks like yung keycaps na walang sub-legends at medyo manipis, yung LED indicators na hindi masyadong kita, tsaka hindi ganun karami yung lighting effects ng side glow. Pero take note na what we're getting here is a keyboard na merong good build quality, unique stunning looks, high quality switches, and of course awesome typing experience. Do keep in mind na mostly gamit din ang Cherry switches sa mga higher end keyboards from well-known brands like HyperX, Asus, and Corsair, na nagkakahalaga ng 4,500 all the way up to more than 10,000 pesos. Pero kung first time mong bumili ng mechanical keyboard and you're not willing to spend that much, I highly recommend you to check out the Rakk Elise instead. For me, it's one of the best for the budget pagdating sa mechanical keyboards, so let me know if you want me to do a late review for that as well. Pero sa ngayon, that's all for me. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment naman kung meron kayong suggestions at requests. Once again, I'm Mon. Thank you for joining Hardware Voyage.